Let me show you what the inside looks like. So we got some bones rolling today, some ribs. These are actually baby back. Wife prefers baby backs over spares. What's up, guys? This is Kevin again. This video for riding for the Rileys is not necessarily about a motorhome, but how we like to cook while we're on the road. Being an ex-barbecue competition cooker, I love to cook. I got a smoker, I've got a grill, I've got a Blackstone. All of them fit in the basement of our Georgetown. But today we're cooking on an ASmoke, and I don't think I've ever showed it. So let me spin around and show you what it's about. Okay, so this is called an ASmoke. I've had it for a while, a couple years now, so I've cooked quite a bit on it. It's a great little cooker, smoker I should say, but it works well for on the road because it's very portable. It's heavy, it's still 50 pounds, but it fits easily into the basement doors of the Georgetown. So right over there, fits in one of those doors, so it's perfect for that. So again, it's an ASmoke. It's got a drain area for the grease, so it drains the grease out, help keep from having a fire. It has a slide down here. This is where all the ash goes. This is the PDI controller. Hope I'm saying that right. You won't be able to see it, it's flashing because it's digital, but we're running about 175, 200 degrees. It kind of bounces up and down by about 15 to 20 degrees, which is not bad. You have smoke, and then you can take it all the way around to grill, so it'll go over 500 degrees easily. And I've grilled with it, works great, but I prefer charcoal grilling on my PK Go. Comes with a temperature probe. It's got latch handles to help keep it from coming open while you transport it. Let me show you what the inside looks like. So we got some bones rolling today, some ribs. These are actually baby back. Wife prefers baby backs over spares. Wife gets what you want, so they're looking really good. And if you look down here, there's I don't know if you can see it, but right here, this little tray slides back and forth, a little sliding rack, and there's grooves in there so that you can have more smoke or less smoke. All of the insides of it all come out for easy cleaning. I actually like the heat diffuser. I actually put full on it to keep for easier cleaning. This is the hopper right here. I don't know what the pounds of hops that it holds, pellets you say, not hops. But it'll last quite a while, especially if you're running smoke, so it doesn't use much fire. So the more heat you got, the more pellets is going to burn, of course. So one thing interesting is I got me one of these charcoal carriers. That's what I carry my pellets in, so they stay good and dry. It's easy to carry. It's got a good handle on it. I have one from a charcoal as well, but that's what I use to carry the pellets in. Again, just want to show you guys the ASmoke. One thing it makes it good about the Georgetown is it plugs in right over there. So I just got an extension cord. It goes up underneath one of the doors, and can plug it in so you can get your electricity that you want. So anyway, just want to show you a little different video of how we like to cook on the road. We've got some other videos coming of other stuff that we use, like the PK Go is a great charcoal grill, easy to carry, very light. And then we have our Blackstone, which everybody has the Blackstone, but I'll show you where we keep ours and how we use it. Anyway, hope you guys like these videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos. We're trying to grow our YouTube channel. We really would appreciate that. Also up above, I'm going to have another link to some more of our videos. Thanks for watching, guys.